Imagine leaving your vehicle at a dealership or auto body shop for repairs, and while it's there, a hurricane hits the area. When you finally pick up your car, the damage is obvious. The interior smells like mold. There are scratches that weren't there before. The carpets are damp, the cabin smells musty, and there are clear signs of water intrusion. Both the dealership service manager and the body shop manager inspect the vehicle. They even document the problems: mold growth, water damage, and new cosmetic damage. But when it comes time to fix the vehicle, they refuse responsibility. Situations like this raise serious legal questions. When a business has possession and control of your vehicle, they may be responsible for protecting it from foreseeable damage and properly addressing damage that occurs while it's in their care. This is where a professional investigation becomes critical. Private investigators and litigation support specialists can document the condition of the vehicle, preserve evidence, locate witnesses, and uncover internal records that may prove what really happened. If your vehicle was damaged while in the custody of a dealership, repair facility, or body shop, an independent investigation may help you protect your rights and recover your losses.